Hello guys, welcome to Parho Likho Computer Science, and today I show you Anko library with Kotlin. What is the Anko library? I show you. You can just type here without XML files and XML codes. So you can see here it is just a edit text bar. So I write here Parho Likho Computer Science, and one thing, when I click on show toast, you can see our toast is done. When I click on the snake bar, you can see hello Parho Likho Computer Science, and one more. So this is alert, but it is very simple without any XML code file, and it is very easy to do. So I hope you can understand, and in the few days I upload a video on our channel. So subscribe our channels and keep watch our Parho Likho Computer Science. And I humbly request to everyone, guys, our old page is blog, so our new page is ready to work. So please go to Facebook and search Parho Likho Computer Science, and yeah, okay guys, assalamu alaikum, bye.